Okay, now we're at Oyster Factory Park here in Bluffton, the old town area still. The May River is right in front of us, and we'll go there in just a moment. So Mike is going to show you the parking for the boats right behind us over there.
Plenty of parking for boats.
Yeah, hopefully we'll see some boats down by the May River. Maybe they're catching some fish today, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so there is some construction going on, as you can hear. So we'll do the best we can in this area, okay? Come along with us. There's a shrimp boat. Looks like it just came out of the movie Forrest Gump. And there's the Garvey House. So cute.
Circa 1870.
Okay, we're not going to go all the way down there because we're not getting shrimp right now anyway. But yeah, I just love the area.
That is our favorite place.
Yeah. So we're walking over to a couple little parks over here that are close by. He looks like he's been around for a while. Yeah. Hey there. Hey there. Oh, he's so cute. How old is he?
12.
Oh.
How you doing, bud?
Is it a lab?
Part lab, part child.
So this is the Martin family park here. Lots of green space. Not very shady right now. We're midday, so it's getting hot out here. And here's the Martin family. You want to get a picture of that? Very nice. Thank you, Martin family, for providing this nice park. Okay, here's the entrance. Town of Bluffton, Dubois Park, in memory of Paul Dubois. Okay, there's a shelter over there, very nice, with picnic tables and some swings and some playground equipment. How nice is that? So there's a little bit of shade now. We're mid-afternoon, so I imagine like early morning, late in the evening would be the best time to come here. But yeah, very nice. Okay, this is Dubois Park. Dubois, 3 hours max parking over here also. So I'm gonna try to find the entrance. So I've got to show you this beautiful Squire Pope carriage house that they're working on. The bathrooms are right beside it, so we'll come around. We'll make a big circle over here, but I just love that house. And I love all the moss growing from the trees. How beautiful is that? So I'm seeing a lot of flowers over there at the church. So I'm thinking they must be having a wedding or getting ready to have a wedding soon. But yeah, we're still going to go make a circle. I just wanted to show you the signage where we're at is Wright Family Park. And then the Church of the Cross is right over there. So beautiful. I would love to see inside of it. We'll see if it's open. Who knows? We may go inside. So yeah, look how beautiful this is. Thank you, Wright family. We appreciate this park. And there's the May River in front of us. Got to show you that. But we've seen a lot of growth in the area. And we're here on a Tuesday, so it's not too busy, pretty peaceful for the most part. So they do have like a little, what is that down there? Like a little landing or something?
Yeah.
You can go down there.
Small dock or...
Yeah, I guess you can do some fishing down there. That's nice. They got fishing poles. And plenty of benches around. Did you catch anything?
One croaker so far.
Okay, good. See, very nice. You can pull your boat up there after fishing out on a boat. Hi ladies, how y'all doing? You look so cute and just so relaxed. Look how pretty. Look at that. It's just so pretty. I love all the flowers. Look at there. Gorgeous. Somebody swinging over there. Just real quiet and peaceful. Peaceful. And there's some info about the summer house. Very nice. Can you take a picture of that for me with your camera?
Yeah.
Cool. Hi, how are you? Good morning. So I think they've added more garden areas, more plants and flowers, and those look like azaleas, even though they're not blooming now. I think they bloomed last month. But they've got some nice bathrooms here, water fountain, very nice. Little pet waste station. Yeah, I love this place. Okay, that's it for here. Okay, we're in Bluffton, headed to the visitor center. So come along with us. It took us a little while to find it. So on this road, there's all kinds of little shops and stuff that are so cute. Little boutiques. Okay, so I do remember seeing this truck earlier. I didn't notice that it said Welcome Center. It says the Hayward House on the side of it. And that's where we were supposed to come to. So we're finally here after driving around a little bit. Yeah, see, the Hayward House, Museum, Welcome Center. Okay,